and welcome to a new screencast from Codamera. My name is Adam Evertsson, and here at Codamera we use Drupal for building websites. And when you use Drupal as much as we do, both developing and using Drupal for adding and editing content, sometimes you need to work at a fast pace and you need to take shortcuts just to fasten up your work. Luckily, there's a great module for speeding up the process of navigating in Drupal, and that's the coffee module. It's not just a great name for a module, it's a really pleasant one to work with. Right, so when I'm editing or working in Drupal, developing, perhaps I need to, clear cache. So I need to go to configuration, I need to go down to performance and click clear caches. For example, I want to extend something. I want to go into the multilingual menu or go to text format and editors and so on and so forth. And this is a lot of clicking. You can install a different theme for your admin toolbar, but there's also the coffee module who will help you sort this navigation problem out. So when you go to drupal.org, you can search for the coffee module or just coffee. It pops up and you download it and you unpack it and you move it to the modules folder in your Drupal 8 installation. And I've already done that, so I'm just going to go to extend and filter for coffee, here it is, and install. The functionality of the coffee module has been inspired by apps like Alfred or similar programs for Linux and Windows, or perhaps even the Spotlight search on new versions of the Mac OS. So alright, so we've enabled the coffee module, and you see now you have a new shortcut up here which says go to. So you click that and suddenly you can search for performance. Just go down on your keyboard, there's no need for using your mouse, and then press enter and you directly come to this page. You can also, which also speeds up your work, press Alt and D. On Windows I think it's Control and D, no, I think it's Alt D there as well. On Mac, you press Alt plus D, and this pops up, and you can go to, well, that's the same page, but you can go to the status report. And in this way, by using the coffee module, you'll work quicker and you have a better workflow instead of going into menus and searching and clicking. Let the module do the work for you. Another great thing with the coffee module is that you can add nodes by just typing add, and you get to the different node types that you're using on your site. So you also get that into your workflow. Alright, so that's a quick look at the coffee module. I highly recommend it, and I hope you start using it as well. Thank you for watching our screencast. Please comment on the guides and screencasts we have put together on our website and YouTube channel. Goodbye!